Hi, I'm Jim,
I'm Karen.
and we do slow travel across the globe.
Yes, we do.
We certainly do.
Today's video is a little bit different, a little bit shorter too. We've kind of changed up our travel here in Germany. We're in Dresden now. We did an Airbnb in
Cologne.
But we decided to switch over to
Hotels
for the rest of our stays.
Yeah. We found that hotels, although cost more money in a lot of ways, offer things that we really appreciate.
Consistency.
Consistently good, comfortable bed. Consistently air conditioning.
That was something that was hard to find in Germany.
Yes.
Air-conditioned Airbnbs. Not really available. And thank goodness we did change up because it seems like Europe is going through a little bit of a
heat wave.
Yeah.
One of the things that you consistently see. Yeah.
But you do give up things having a hotel versus an Airbnb. And one of the things is a washer or a washer and dryer. Usually, definitely a washer. We never rented an Airbnb that didn't have at least a washer.
So, staying here in Hilton in Dresden, one of the things we're missing is our washer and dryer.
Yep.
So, we looked at the prices to do laundry here in Hilton, which are absolutely ridiculous. And we'd like to give you an idea of what our laundry, we were going to bring, what that laundry would cost. And in essence, Karen's blouse will cost $12.18. I had a pair of pants.
Yeah. $15.06?
$15.08. This is in dollars now.
Yes. We converted.
I had 6 t-shirts. I think combined we had 6 t-shirts. And that was going to cost $52.21.
Two pairs of pajamas.
2 pairs of pajamas. Mine and hers were going to be $28.08. I had 10 pairs.
Well,
actually,
my briefs.
You had some underwear too.
We do laundry about once a week.
We had 10 pair of underwear.
Mm-hmm.
And that was going to be, in terms of American dollars, $75.41. And then
we had socks.
Socks. Again, split between the two of us. But the total price for 9 pair of socks was $46.99.
This is what we went and took to the
Laundromat.
We did it.
Just as a word, if you didn't add them up in your head, I'm going to tell you what that costs. Total price was going to be $266.79. For that money, we could have bought a new wardrobe and thrown the laundry out.
And remember, that's just 1 week. We're staying here. We stay a month. We're slow mad, so we stay at a place about a month at a time. So $266.79. I couldn't do it. I can't. I'm not a budget. We're not budget travelers, but there's no way I could.
That's obscene. That's all you're going to say.
That would be for a week's of laundry.
A week of laundry. Just throw out your laundry and go buy new laundry.
Yeah.
Because
new laundry.
Buy new. Well, it's going to be new laundry because the minute you have to take it to the laundry, you throw it out and buy another set of new clothes. So we decided we would do what we've done in a couple Airbnbs in the past: find a laundromat, go to a laundromat, and get it done. Yeah. And that's a little bit of a money-saving thing. So to do
Except when we're in Southeast Asia, you can drop off your laundry and pick it up the next day. It's ridiculously
inexpensive.
Cheaper than what we cost us to do our laundry for a week here.
Yep.
But we found Echo Wash, which is a laundromat that seems to run pretty prevalent through, at least in Germany. Because we did it also in the Airbnb.
Cologne.
Because that had a washer, but she didn't suggest we used it because it was in a down basement and it looked like a death trap. So she offered to do it for us. Got over, but we found an Echo washer around the corner and we did it.
I kind of expected a 1950s horror movie monster to come out of the basement at any time. So we opted not to go down there. It was scary, spooky, and didn't look like something we wanted to do. So what we did is we had to find a laundromat.
Yep.
The laundromat was not close to Dresden, the Dresden Hilton. It was on the other side of the river, so we needed to buy transport. We bought transport, and that was all-day transport.
Yes.
So we could use
On
the
the
transport
tram.
all day to boot. And the total cost for two of us to use the tram and buses was $22.08
For an all-day.
for an all-day ticket.
For both of us
We
to
could
have
go
an
anywhere
all-day
we
ticket.
wanted in the city, stop, get back on. You didn't have to worry about it. You did 2 loads of laundry.
Two
What
loads
did that
of
cost?
laundry, $9.29, and that included the soap.
Yep, and that included soap. And the dryer.
One dryer for the 2 loads because they're huge dryers.
Yeah, really massive
But
dryers.
we do it for 2 15-minute turns, so it's for a half an hour dry.
So it was $4.64 to do that.
Total?
Total price was $36.01.
That was everything.
That was everything. The whole routine took us 2 hours. It was a
from
wonderful,
door to door.
wonderful experience. We met a nice gentleman there.
We've done it twice there.
We've done it twice now there.
And
So-
we'll probably do it twice before.
And we'll probably do 2 more time before we leave.
Yeah.
So for what it's worth, this is how we can save money to do what we want to do.
We saved.
We saved a total of $230 and some odd cents.
78 cents.
It was at 78 cents?
Yeah.
Okay. So 78 total savings, which can buy us another new wardrobe
For
for the hell of it.
it
Or
can do whatever.
we could probably have
But
2 or 3, 4 meals.
Yeah.
4 good meals
Yeah.
here in Dresden for the price we saved on laundry.
Another thing is also by staying in the hotel, we're Hilton members, so we do points and money and different things, but we usually get upgraded to executive lounge, and so we have our breakfast included, and we have an evening snack
And
because
evening drinks.
yeah,
And Karen makes the best gin and tonic ever.
I thought I didn't cook,
So
but anyway,
if anybody ever runs into us on the road, ask her for a gin and tonic. She's
Oh.
great. She's the best at
Oh.
gin and tonic.
But anyway, that helps also in some of the breakdown because I'd say we spend about $60 then on food between the both of us for all day. That's with sitting in a square and having a coffee or a tea or a drink, and also having our main meal, which we eat around 2 or 3 because we're old, and that's when we like
That's
our
the
menu.
best time to eat for us. So that's it for.
There's a lot of doing different things that you can do on the road to save or to at least accommodate your lifestyle. This is one of ours. And plus, we don't mind doing laundry together.
Ask you to do one other thing. If you watch the video straight through, if you would please like to see more of the ways we save money or what we do to find hotels or whatever, leave a comment and let us know. We'd like to help you or at least try to show you what we do. Some of the stuff we do you may not want to get involved in. But I will tell you this. If you ever want a good gin and tonic, that's the girl.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
All right.
In any case, we want to thank you for watching. Give us a like, a thumbs up, or even better yet, subscribe for us. We thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.